Hi Capricorns, welcome to your reading. Okay, so this is going to be for you guys from June 16 to the 30th. What is the universe? First I'm going to be seeing, of course, we'll be looking at what does the universe want to say to you as an advice. But I'll start with looking at the current situation, what's going on with you. And if that resonates, then probably what I pick up as an outcome will also resonate with you. So that's your key point. If you feel that yes, you're resonating with the current situation, keep watching. Also, guys, this is general, so it may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. Alright? Okay, so let us see what's going on with you guys, Capricorn. Let's see what's going on with Capricorn currently. What is the current situation? Okay, if these come, I'm going to take it again. What is going on in the current situation? Okay. Magician, Ace of Cups, Eight of Swords. I see a very wishy-washy kind of an energy. So sometimes you feel very confident about this thing, then again you go back into the spiral of thinking and not being sure if you're confident or not. So I see this dilly-dally all the time. So whenever you feel confident, it's like some sort of a timing or something where you are actually, so you could be getting downloads from the universe that yes, I want to do this, you're being pushed. And then suddenly maybe the past comes into the picture and you start feeling underconfident. You think that no, I can't take this risk. However, it's like the universe pushing you, okay, that you can trust this. It's not like you shouldn't be trusting this. I do sense that when you're confident, you're very confident, and when you're underconfident, you go like really spiraling down. I don't know where, but yeah, it seems to be like, you become very underconfident when you're underconfident. So what I pick up from here is that you could be very conflicted with this whole offer or this whole opportunity or this situation. You don't really know which way to go. Like, should you actually be, like, you're not being able to stick in one energy. Alright? So that is what I'm picking up in the current situation. So if this resonated, then let's see what can you expect in the next 14-15 days from now. June 16th to the 30th. What can you expect? Okay, I'll take these if these come again. What can you expect, Capricorns? Ace of Swords, 2 aces, alright. The High Priestess, 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups. Oh God. I just felt that okay, you're moving in a better place, but okay. So I see you getting clarity, some clarity in terms of understanding, of knowing, but probably it is going to be tough for you to practice it. So it's like, say for example, if you're in love with someone, finally you understand that yes, I love this person, but I don't know how to work on it. Like, what should I do to make this happen? I see cluttered thinking still prevailing. Okay, so you might not be able to understand very clearly that, I can do this. Like, I mean, let me just do it. Or that confidence is not coming. Even in these 15 days, I'm not seeing that. Although, in these 15 days, I feel that you will understand something that, okay, probably I cannot deal with this right now, or that understanding will set in. But again, I'm not seeing that you will be very confident that yes, I will be able to do it. You still will hold yourself back, I'm seeing, and you will not be very sure if you can walk on this path or not. There's lack of confidence, definitely. I feel that this will take some time for you to understand and grow from it. It's not so easy. This fact or this whole thing to settle in inside you, it is not a one day thing, or like all of a sudden one day you wake up and you're very sure. That's not the thing. It will take time, and I see it to be a gradual process. It's a work that is happening. If this is a love interest, then definitely your confidence is lacking. Like, you are probably having trust issues with this person. However, it might become better in these 15 days, but it's not like completely resolved. Okay, I'm not getting that energy that yes, everything is resolved, everything is fine. Alright? Okay, let me see what is the advice for you from the universe. Make necessary sacrifices. Wake up call. Alright. So see, the thing is, it's up to you what you want. Alright. What I pick up from here, live your soul, not a role. Wow. So if you feel that, okay, I'm not going to make myself vulnerable, I'm going to love, or I'm going to do this from a distance, it is not going to work out that way, Capricorns. It's tough. It can't work out that way. You will have to understand that it happens slowly. And I understand. But you cannot be thinking that, okay, I'm not going to be vulnerable at all. And still, first I want to see the results and then only will I open up. It does. I mean, at least in this case, it's not going to work out, because I do see a spiritual connection here. This is spiritually ruffling your feathers very strongly. So you have to bring about these changes like a wake-up call to you. You have to change yourself, adapt yourself with the changing times, so that you become a better person. That's the energy that I'm seeing here. Okay? So, alright Capricorns, that's what I have for you. I hope this reading made sense and gave you the clarity that you're probably seeking. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Nishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. Take care, and I shall see you soon again. Bye-bye.